Unpack the WS Aware Monitor and its contents. Mount the WS Aware Monitor in a location visible to the operators. Magnets are included for securing the back of the monitor to a metal surface. Verify that the monitor's work surface mat is connected to equipment ground. Secure the ground cord to the screw terminal on the right side of the WS Aware Monitor. Secure the opposite end of the ground cord to the equipment ground. Insert the mat monitor cord into the M1 terminal on the left side of the WS Aware Monitor. Connect the opposite end of mat monitor cord to the ground cord work surface mat. Plug the operator remote cable into the operator 1 connector on the left side of the WS Aware Monitor. Plug the opposite end of the operator remote cable into the back of the operator remote. Mount the operator remote in a location accessible to operators. The WS Aware can be managed remotely using the SMP web app. Securing the Ethernet cable to the monitor allows for communication between the WS Aware Monitor and SMP web app on the network. Connect the power adapter to the right side of the monitor. The SMP web app offers remote monitoring of each WS Aware installed. Real-time results are displayed in a graphical and analog form. A side-by-side view of each workstation allows you to monitor both operators at the same workbench. The operator body resistance channel will alarm if resistance measures above 10 megohms. The WS Aware Monitor's multiple channels, the SMP web app will indicate which one is in alarm state by displaying the color red. The SMP web app offers a quick way to identify live or past alarms through the active alarms panel. Preset troubleshooting tips for each alarm type offer help in understanding and resolving alarms. A comments box can be used to document the solution and will be displayed on reports. The Big Brother remote terminals can be used to identify operators who approach the bench ungrounded. Enable the alerts feature to be notified via email when an alarm is active. The soft ground resistance channel will alarm if resistance measures above 100 megohms. The SMP web app allows you to remotely adjust the monitor's limits. A built-in device limits feature offer the available limits each channel can be set to. Once the new limits are saved, allow for up to 30 seconds for them to be applied to each monitor. Contact the SCS factory for more information or a virtual demonstration on this product.